Man, what's good, YouTube? So today I'm doing something a little different, you feel me? Well, my boy C Smooth, too fucking smooth, nigga. You know who it is. You see what it is, see what's going on. I just got off work at Home Depot, you feel me?
What's going on, baby? It's your boy C. I don't work at Home Depot. I'm self-employed.
Come on, man. Nah, it's a drip, though, you know what I'm saying? Home Depot drip. So today, I got the 10 rappers, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. And we're gonna do a challenge on who can rap the best. Like who can rap like a certain rapper. Like who can rap the best like a certain rapper.
Alright, bet.
You gonna buy this shit, man?
Yeah.
So I got 10 rappers in here, bro. You wanna go first or you want me to go first, man? So whoever goes first, put a beat on for him, but you gotta get the beat that's like a certain rapper. You never get a random beat, you gonna get the beat that sounds like that rapper.
Okay, bet. Alright.
So here.
Nah, I'll go first.
Go ahead, close your eyes, man. Close your eyes. Get one. Hold on, now open it up. Let me see. What'd you get?
2 Chainz.
You got 2 Chainz? You gotta rap like 2 Chainz.
True.
Hey, hold on.
True. Let me just Snapchat this girl real quick.
What you saying, bro?
I'm just saying hi to a friend. Alright. Getting head on the elevator. Put a nigga in a skeleton. True, yeah. 2 Chainz had to let him in. No, true, yeah. Put a body in a skeleton, yeah. Getting head on the elevator. Then I hit her, then I see her later. Yeah. Ice on my neck like a skater. True, yeah. Ice on my neck like a skater. True, yeah. Getting head on the elevator. Hit it once, then I'll see you later. Ice on my neck like a skater. Yeah, true. Dead body.
Okay.
I don't know how True sang TJ sounds, bro.
That was good, bro.
That was alright.
That was straight.
Can I put this back in?
What? Nah, take it out when you done. Oh, yeah, my fault.
Nigga.
Oh, you good?
Dude, there's no case on here.
Bro, you're good. You cracked?
I hope not.
He wants some money from me.
I want my 5 back for sure. Am I getting my 5 back?
You're good, bro.
No, not a high 5, nigga. My 5, I got.
I might give your girl back.
I have no girls, bro. You know what you wrote?
Migos?
Oh, you about to get shit on. Go ahead. I'm about to kill him in this challenge, bro.
Oh my god.
Migos. Put on a Migos beat.
I bet.
You gotta sound like Quake. Better sound like Migos.
Now you be doing that shit.
Yeah, they do hella ad-libs. Migos.
Yeah. Whipping the dope up, flipping the coke up. Little bitch look like a soda. Hey, she fly like a Nova. She moving like salsa. Yeah. Mama. Big. Hey, whipping like soda. Put the coins out, none the holder. Pulling out Chova.
Yeah.
Hey, shout out to Hova. He getting rid of bricks, no poster.
Quavo. 40 seconds? Yeah, you hit some ad-libs. You
get a popcorn? Don't do that, bro. You're being weird.
21 Savage.
21 Savage? Okay,
yeah.
You gotta buy this, bro.
21.
21 Savage, nigga? Yeah, it's easy.
Buy this.
Everyone tries to like rap with it.
21. 21. Murder gang shit, nigga. Slaughter gang shit, nigga. I said 40 in my holster. 40 in my toaster, yeah. 21, yeah. 40, I'm a holder, yeah. Got your girl, I told you, yeah. I'm going in for gold, yeah. 40, 21, yeah. 21, yeah. Murder gang, slaughter gang shit. Her bang shit. Triple bang shit. 21, murder gang. 40 on my holster, yeah. Fuck your girl, I told you, yeah. I'm gon' hot like toaster, yeah. I'm too hot like floater, yeah. That's the floater boater, yeah. I'm like motor boater, yeah. 21, yeah. I'm a savage, yeah. I live lavish, yeah. 21. How do you sound like him?
I bet.
I'm ass at sounding like rappers, bro. I'm too good.
Trippy Red. Here we go.
Yeah! I'm not sounding like I'm saying the lyrics like him.
You ready?
I'm saying lyrics like him. I'm not sounding like him.
Start timer.
Ooh!
Yeah, Big 14, I ain't know what the fuck going on. Yeah, hey. Yeah, she thought I was on packs. Yeah. Let me drop. Ooh, yeah, I'm blood, bitch. Yeah, I'm blood, bitch. I'm out the mud, bitch. I'm sipping on mud, bitch. I thought you knew, bitch. 400, bitch. What up, bitch? Yeah, I thought you knew, bitch. Yeah, then I'm new sis. I'm new crib. Yeah, 2-whip, root whip. Cool, man. Yeah, I got you new, bitch. Yeah, I took your new bitch. Yeah. I'm done. Look like Chris Brown's best friend.
Roddy Ricch. I'ma get lazy. Put up the whole damn seal. I'ma get lazy.
You should pass this one. A lot of people try to sound like this nigga.
Straight at the coop, no box. That ain't gonna down one spot.
You better not try to sound like the box at all. So put a timer on. Put a timer on.
I just fucked your bitch. Yeah. I just cracked your girl. Yeah. Coop at the box. Room on lock. My shit hot. I can't stop. Yeah. Roddy Ricch. We ain't gonna stare at the chicken. We ain't gonna stare at the licking. We get licking. Yeah. I'm Roddy, I'm rich. I live in LA with the shits. I bust it down with the fits. This shit is easy to me. My pockets is cheesy. That's all I got for Roddy Ricch.
Hey, my pocket feel like a kid.
Hey, yeah. I passed that for sure.
Okay. You bite that.
I passed that.
That shit was hard. That's just hard. Shit's on it. Blueface.
Oh my god.
Yeah, bitch. I'm a two-step on that bitch. Throw a crip up, bitch. You know I knew that. Bitch, get blue back. Big so long, you knew that. Over. Bitch, you look like a 4-leaf clover.
Yeah.
How about I shit like a goer?
Yeah.
I'm a bower like I know her, throwing no crick, nigga. I'm also a blower. Scoop! Know what it is. Crip. Bop! Schoolyard, nigga. Bop! Slapping nigga. Gang shit.
I fuck him. Fuck with the fuck.
Oh! I duck him. Oh! I ain't gonna lie. Car in my pocket. Fuck that bitch raw. Like TV raw. Hey, SmackDown, Raw, gang shit. Gay bitch.
I'm a gay bitch. Hey, I mean on my trippy, on my gay shit. Ooh, you heard my latest. Bitch, you long, guess she about to face it.
Fire out. On crib like a vacation. Mason. Move like a Satan.
Ooh. You won't face it. My name is Chasing. This shit Freddy versus Jason. I'm going crazy. That ain't my lady, but that bitch my lady. Yeah.
Hey, my lady, that bitch my lady.
Yeah.
Hey, move like a Mercedes. Hey, pay this. Bitch, you knew this.
Simon, you about to say this. Everyone to know you about to play this.
Alright.
Ooh, we about to bust
that shit.
Yeah,
that shit. We love it. Okay, that shit was fun.
That was the easiest one.
That shit was so fun though. It's always fun I play that nigga Blueface. I bite that one though. That's
yeah, you bought that one.
It's just
hard. He just fucking talks on the beat, even though Blueface, you're making the bag, so.
That nigga will beat your ass, bro.
Blueface?
That nigga has hands.
What, a square up fight, no guns?
Wolfie had a gun though. He wanted to fight you.
Yeah, I'm not fighting.
Okay, would you rather fight Blueface with a gun or a mental patient with razor sharp teeth?
Mental patient with razor sharp teeth.
You're crazy.
I would kill that motherfucker.
That nigga will bite you in your neck.
Blueface is pulling out a gun when I sock him in the face.
And shooting you?
Yes. That nigga has too much money. You ain't playing me.
I bet. Alright, go ahead. Who's that?
Gunna.
Ooh, that shit's gonna be hard.
How do you do Gunna?
Gunna.
Drip too hard. I don't know why. Got my vein kinda high.
Ooh.
I can't no tell, I can't lie. I hit the blunt, now I'm fried. I just put G's in the sky. Everyone know I get by. We ahead, man, we don't get a buy. Hey, I hit it and buy. Yeah, round my neck just like a tie. Yeah, can't end in no tie. Yeah, I be too fit, I'm too fly. Yeah, I don't know why. Yeah, I don't know how, yeah. Got my gun up on the prowl, yeah. Gunna, keep it loud, yeah. She young like a scout,
Hey.
I did not do this for clout,
Hey.
yeah. Her fishes like trout, yeah. Walk her in and put her out, whoa. I don't know why, yeah. Hit this shit, I'm kinda high, yeah. Talking mean, I cannot lie, yeah.
Hey, ride my neck like a tie.
Can't end
Alright,
the
nigga,
tie,
oh,
yeah.
shit.
Fucking that bitch in the vibe, yeah. Hit her then buy, yeah. Round my neck just like a tie, yeah. Can't end in no tie,
Yeah.
OG cookie, now I'm fried, yeah, yeah. I cannot lie, yeah. We are high up in the sky. Hey, look at my fit. Talking to, I take your bitch. Yeah, Gunna. Everyone know that I go with the shit. Yeah. Run that shit. Gunna.
Alright,
yeah.
That's a whole song for you, man. No one needs to hear your single
Gunna
right
the real.
now.
That's a real one.
Okay,
Yeah.
you bodied that shit.
Okay, yeah,
You
that
bodied that.
Gunna
That's
was
hard.
That one was hard.
That one was hard.
That one was fire.
I'm low-key scared to go again. So it's 4?
Yeah,
If
4,
I
4.
lose this one,
It's
that's
over.
it for me. Yeah,
I
it's
won
over.
that.
Okay,
Blueface, I hit.
you killed it.
I hit Blueface, yeah.
Alright, shake it up, man.
I hit Blueface. There's 2
Damn.
You better pick wisely.
Oh shit. Oh man, bro. Please, man. Please.
Who's he getting? Who's he getting?
Playboi fucking Carti.
Wow. He's a phenomenal.
Alright, right here.
Playboi Carti.
Red nose like a red nose. I'm in Millie Rock for the Joe go. Bitch, you know I'm a hoe.
Yeah.
Bitch, you know I'm gonna go. Woo. Yeah. Millie Rock on the block. Drop my cock on that Glock. Fucking that bitch. Yeah, I cannot stop. Yeah, like the beat. Yeah, might as well cop. Off waist on my foot. I'm a cop. B. Best at the cop. Yeah. B. No gonna stop. Yeah. Baby Mox and that's a cop. Baby Max, she know I'm gonna cop.
Yeah.
Fucking bitch, I can stop.
Damn.
Yeah,
bitch, I can
stop. Yeah. Cop, pouring that lean like a drop.
Yeah.
New job. But ready to rock. Hey, ready to rock.
10 more seconds. 10 more seconds. You can't do it.
Oh shit. I mean, what do you think, man?
That was good.
I didn't do
But I
bad,
think I
man.
came down with still got the dub on that last one.
You won it, bro. You won it.
I'm too hot. Hey, I'm gonna spice her.
He goes spicer, hit her, I go to night.
Yeah.
Like a piper, sniper, no sniper.
Swiper, no swiper. She ride me like a bike. Hit that shit, I spike. Yeah, that girl's up, she dyke.
Buff a young ma. Yeah, she look like a dyke.
Yeah.
Fly like a kite.
Wow.
Put it on a bite. Smoking like I'm bite. Looking like I'm Ike.
She gon' hit tonight. Mac Rap with Dark Knight. Ooh, she bust like Sprite. That shit's alright. Yeah, I hit it twice. Yeah. Whoa, I hit it 3 times. I don't like to really rhyme. I'm a phenom. All black like Venom. I got this rhythm.
Ooh, I got this rhythm. Alright, y'all, smash that like button. Ooh, smash the like button. But on Blueface, bitch, on that beat, I'm a crib fuck of that beat. Alright, swipe up, subscribe. My boy C Smooth Too Smooth. This the rap like that rapper challenge.
Yep.
Gang. You know what I'm saying?
Peace out, G.